Good easy way to clean your fuel injectors that have a little crud on them. I've got a little ultrasonic cleaner. It's got a little bit of the like jewelry cleaning liquid in it, and it works just fine unless it's super duper crudded up. You might want to use something stronger. If I flip it over, I don't have enough in there to cover the whole thing, but I just flip it over about halfway through. I got it that clean. Looks like there's a little speck of something maybe in there. Yeah, I just had to wipe it, and it cleaned up real good. I'm real happy with that.